Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of shak INC. Now if you are looking at this long-term chart, it looks like somebody indeed shaken the chart after 2016 or 17. So as you can see from the lows of 2017, it has really started moving up. So this was your previous trend line, as you can see. So this was your big support line, and if you are looking at this trend, so this is your resistance line. But the way it has started moving, it seems like somebody is shaken up this trend. So if you are observing this chart, first let's understand the current price action, then we are going to uh, discuss the rest of the things. Okay, so let's look at the price chart over here. Here we are. Okay, so these are your important level that you need to look at. So the levels that you are going to look at here are 69.57 and 63.78. So 69.57 and 63.78. So this is the range what one should consider as your stop loss. Don't go below these two levels on the downside. Now as far as your immediate support is concerned, what we have here is 78.56. So this is going to be your immediate support, and as I told you, don't go below 3 and 69. More specifically, don't go below 63.78 or 63.5 on the downside, as this will be your final stop loss. Now because the stock is sustaining because the stock is sustaining above 78.26, you have your next big level which one need to consider here is 98.45. Now 98.45 is going to be the breakout, the big breakout after 2015. It has happened once in 2021 itself, but the stock fall below this level. So rather than considering 98.45, we now have to consider the range for a breakout. So if there is a breakout beyond this range 98.45 and 107 or 108, so this is the range that we are looking here. So if there is a breakout beyond this range, or in one word, if the stock started sustaining above $108 after the breakout this time, it's going to be a start of a big trend. Now where does it lead to is the question. So for that, if I may, here we are. So if I calculate the movement from the lower end to the higher end of the range, we have 248% worth of move. So if the stock started sustaining beyond $108, the next big target that we are going to look at will be 248% higher. So the big target after the breakout, this is conditional and will only get activated after the stock started sustaining over 108. So if the stock started sustaining over 108, the big target that we are looking here in the upcoming weeks and months will probably push the price towards $370. Now if I draw a trend line like this, this will also solve the problem, but technically this is fine, but this requires multiple hurdles and I need to draw multiple levels. So rather than that, simply because this is a breakout, or this is a probable breakout that has failed once, stock now moved below and retesting the breakout levels because it is trading near to a breakout. So this time probably if there is a breakout beyond 708, the big target in the upcoming weeks and months will be as high as or in between $370 and $380 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.